Assalamu alaikum viewers, I'm Zubia Irfan. Welcome to another show of CxO Talk. As you know, it's a knowledge sharing platform for all the C-level across the Pakistan and around the globe. Every time we invite some interesting personalities in our show. Today we are honored to have Mr. Ahmad Baqa with us. Mr. Ahmad Baqa with over 20 years of diverse experience in operations management, process engineering and business leadership. Mr. Baqa has played a key role in driving industrial growth, innovation and safety across chemical production facilities. He brings a visionary approach to leadership, blending technical expertise with strategic thinking. So let's meet and greet Mr. Ahmed Baqa. Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Ahmed.
Walaikum salam. How are you, Zubia? How's everything?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine, very well. And thank you for
Great.
such a brief introduction about me. It will be a pleasure to have you here. And let's continue.
Welcome to the show and thank you very much for sparing some time from your busy schedule for this interview.
Most welcome.
So, Mr. Ahmed, could you please give a brief introduction to our viewers about yourself and your role within your organization?
Yeah, sure. As you already introduced myself, my name is Ahmad Baqa. Currently, I'm serving as a Chief Operating Officer in a Saudi factory for chlorine and alkalis in Saudi Arabia. And I oversee multiple key functions, including finance, sales, marketing, human resource, IT, HSC, and obviously the plant operations. And my
Right.
core focus is always aligning cross-departmental strategies to ensure operational efficiency, definitely common growth, like commercial growth, and long-term sustainability, etc. And especially with these highly competitive chemicals sectors. Basically,
Right.
I hold a bachelor degree in chemical engineering, and my academic background gave me this technical foundation to understand process dynamics. And but what really actually attracted me to this field was the opportunity to lead complex multidisciplinary operations. Over time, I progressed from an engineering mindset to a more strategic role, or integrating commercial, financial, and operational excellence. So now I'm heading all these departments of big chemical complex in Saudi Arabia.
Great, great. So, Mr. Ahmed, what are some of the key accomplishments in your career that you are most proud of?
The key compliment, you can say, uh, most of the time, especially during the pandemic and all this, uh, like we faced supply chain issues, and we faced a lot. So we manage how to deal with it, and with the available resources, and with the uh, like particular touches that uh, multidisciplinary option, the cross-departmental interactions, and such kind of things. Like we are facing a lot of issues. One of the major milestone in my career has been leading the multi-million dollar plant expansion projects, which significantly increase our production capacity and efficiently. We manage it to in operation. I also focused on strengthening financial discipline, enhancing HSE system, and reshaping our sales approach to better serve customer needs. These initiatives finally have led to improved profitability, stronger compliance, and a noticeable boost in team morale.
Great, excellent. So, what are the biggest challenges you have faced in your career, and how have
Challenge,
you succeeded?
yes. One of the biggest challenge, definitely, consistently, I think everybody is facing, and I'm also part of that, consistently faced, is managing coordination across the multiple departments while navigating strict regulatory requirements and dynamic market conditions. So aligning finance with plant operations, such as for cost control, on the other side, HR with IT, for new systems implementation like ERP, etc. And it's required a cooperative approach, strong leadership across all levels, and data-driven decision making. The pandemic and global supply chain disruption also tested our responsiveness, demanding quick thinking and adaptability. So these experiences have strengthened our organizational strength and prepared us well for the future challenges. So that was really a big challenge.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. So, Mr. Ahmed, how has leadership played a role in your success? And do you believe your leadership is having a positive impact on your team?
I believe that leadership is the heart of
Yes,
everything. And
absolutely.
my role requires me to harmonize very different departments from frontline operations to the digital system and then corporate finance and definitely the markets. That's in this competitive scenarios. So I led by example with a focus on transparency, accountability, and continuous improvements. So feedback from my
Right,
team tells me that they feel empowered and aligned with our organizational goals, which is the real measure of impactful leadership, I believe. So this is how I believe that the leadership role should be.
right, right. So, Mr. Ahmed Baqa, what are the key trends you see shaping the future of the chemical and hydrogen industries?
Yeah, the chemical and hydrogen industries are changing very fast. Like one big trend is going green. Companies are working to cut pollution and use cleaner energy, and another one using technology like automation and data to make work faster and safer, using AI especially nowadays. So, and the green hydrogen again, the finally is becoming important as a clean fuel for the future, especially in transport and big factories, industrial sectors. These changes are helping the industry become more modern, efficient, and definitely the environment friendly. So
Right. Okay. So, how do you stay up to date with evolving technologies and standards?
you see, with my position, it is really necessary to stay tuned with what's going on in the market. So I stay updated regularly, reading industry news, joining professional forums, and attending webinars, conferences, and whenever possible. And
Mm-hmm.
especially, I also stay connected with expert and peers through networks like your forum, which helps me
Right.
learn real world experiences. And internally, I encourage my team to share insights and updates. So we are all moving forward together and staying aligned with the latest trends and standards. So, so this is how I used to be updated.
Great, great. Mr. Ahmed Baka, how do you manage to maintain a healthy work-life balance, and what
Very,
strategies do you use to achieve it?
very difficult, and but it's definitely not easy with multiple departments, especially when they're reporting to me. But it's essential to
Yes.
balance healthy work life. So prioritization is always the key. I focus on strategic tasks and delegate operational ones to capable team leads.
Right.
Personally, I make sure to have a quality time for my family and take a few moments each day to reflect and recharge. It's necessary. So it helps me to stay balanced and avoid any burnout. And
Excellent.
simple strategy like structured morning focus meetings and limited after hour workings keep my energy balanced. So
Right, right. So, Mr. Ahmed Baka, could you share some of your hobbies or interests?
outside work, I enjoy traveling with my family a lot, spending time with my children and sometimes reading about industry trends and economic developments and what's going on in the world. Beside all these things, yes, definitely we have three cats at home, and that keep our life a bit more lighthearted.
Right, right. Okay. So, what advice would you give to young professionals who are just starting their career?
The straight wording, be consistent and don't chase shortcuts. Start
Yeah.
building a strong foundation in your work. Stay humble and learn from those who are ahead of you. The chemical industry, especially, needs professionals who are persistent, technically sound, and willing to grow gradually, not shortcuts. So it will convert into definitely the leadership role. That's how you become not just a good employee, but definitely a future leader.
Very well said. I totally agree with you. So, Mr. Baqa, in the end, I would like to ask, how do you think CXO Global Forum will impact your professional journey and the industry you are in?
As earlier I explained, when CX, like a global forum, is a platform where leaders, I believe, from different industries come together, shares perspective definitely, and collaborations for future challenges. For me, it's an opportunity to contribute insight from the chemicals sector while learning from others, like some are from finance sector, HR, tech, industrial. Uh, so this is something industrial innovation. And for me personally, it's an excellent opportunity to both contribute and learn from each other. And thanks to CxO Global Forum team for creating such a powerful and impactful forum.
Great. Thank you very much, Mr. Ahmad Baqa, for sharing your insights. It has been a very a wonderful discussion with you, and I hope our viewers will learn a lot from it. We wish you more and more success in your life. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It's my pleasure. It's really my
Okay.
pleasure. And thanks again. Thank you very much.
Welcome. So, viewers, thank you very much for watching this interview. And you may please connect with Mr. Ahmed Baqa. His LinkedIn profile is also mentioned over here. And thank you very much for your time. And inshallah, see you soon with some another amazing personality. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.